What's up everyone? I'm back with another unboxing and install video for my C5 Corvette. This time, the seats are getting an upgrade. Whoa. As you've seen in my previous videos, I've been slowly upgrading the interior in my C5 Corvette. Today, I'm going to be unboxing and installing the ultimate upgrade, new seats. Now after I get these seats unboxed, I'll talk to you a little bit why I chose this particular model over some of the other ones that are available for the C5. Now let's get busy and start unboxing. Double locking. Yeah, that's just the same thing. I just hope it's the other side. We'll take a look at that later. But this is what you've all been waiting for, right here. Now I thought about how I would preserve my old seats because they're still in relatively good condition. Well, that's a nice heavy-ish bag that I could probably use to put the old seats in as long as they fit. Now I'm going to get one of these out and then we'll move the box out of the way and let's take it over to the bench and get a closer look at it. Okay, I took the seat out of the box. Now we're over here on the workbench where we can get a better view of what seat I actually bought for the C5. So we'll take the plastic off. And again, I'm going to try to save this plastic. Maybe be able to pack my current seats in it. It's not super thick, but it might be thick enough. Although, I'm not sure it'll be big enough. Not sure if it'll be big enough. Well, looks like Corbeau does a good job of wrapping the seats up here. We've got some extra bubble wrap. And lots of clear packing tape. I don't want to use my knife because I'm afraid I'd cut the seats here. Lots and lots of bubble wrap. This might be better if I sped it up a bit. Go. Well, if you guessed the Corbeau Evolution X Seats, you'd be correct. Now, from what I understand, Corbeau designed these seats to fit nicely in a C5 and a C6 Corvette, knowing that the width of the seat area is not very wide. I know many people have installed other seats and other seat brands in their C5, particularly ones without a fixed back. Sometimes you need to put the passenger seat where the driver's seat goes and the driver's seat where the passenger seat goes. Sometimes you need to put C6 seat belts in a C5 and also maybe drill out the sliders. I wasn't interested in doing all of that work, particularly to some of the safety equipment like seat belts and the sliding tracks, and so I decided to go with probably the easiest install in these cars that I've seen, and that's the Evolution X with the fixed backs. One of my big concerns with the fixed back was, how upright would it be? I don't sit with my seat recline too far back. So far, looking at the seat, it looks fairly upright, but I guess I won't know until I get it in the car. I know others have put some washers under to kind of get a little bit of a tilt back in the seat, but we'll see when I go to install them. Overall quality on first glance looks pretty good. As others have noted, this fake carbon fiber here, and there's some on the back, doesn't look as cheesy as I thought it might look. It looks pretty good. The red stitching looks nice. One of the big controversial things with this seat, of course, is the two Corbeau logos. I'm not sure why Corbeau decided to do that with the red stitch seats. If you get the black stitch seats, you only get the one Corbeau logo. Not sure why this is here. I don't mind this logo so much. This one, I'm not sure. I might get some fabric dye and dye this black. I don't know yet. We'll see once I get it in the car. The gray, I guess they're kind of gray colored. They might show up white, but the gray harness strap, eyelets, you know, don't look too bad. I know others have removed them and painted them. I'm not sure that I'm going to go down that road or not. But overall, quality looks good, and I'm excited to get them in the car. So Corbeau Evolution X fixed back seats. Hey, join me next time when I install these seats in this Corvette. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that like button. And feel free to leave me some comments too. I love interacting with people that share the same passion for Corvettes and cars as I do. Till next time, see ya.